if you're going to ask me right now, today is January 6th. I'm thinking we're we've gone past the takeoff phase. I think there's going to be a bear trap here. So a bear trap, I think, is going to be somewhere between a 30 to, I'm going to say 30 to 40% drawback. Sometime it might even be a 60% drawback. I don't know. I think there's going to be a drawback, though, and I think it's going to shake out some hands. You got Jim Cramer pumping it this week. Okay, that's not a good sign because Jim Cramer is a puppet. He's a puppet to these guys. He works for CNBC, who is owned by these people. Okay, they are his boss. They tell him what to say. And when he says, hey, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, right? It's here to stay. He's not saying that a year and a half ago, right? When he's not telling you it's here to, no, he's saying it's over, right? He's telling you it's over because Jim Cramer and smart money don't want retail buying down in this phase. They just don't want it to happen. They don't want you to be a part of it, okay? They want you to be buying up here because let me tell you this. If they want to sell, there needs to be buyers. They need to sell it to somebody. So what do? They get Jim Cramer on air and some of these influencers online. I'm not going to name any names, but they get them, right? They're paying them. They're in their pocket, right? They're their boss. And what's happening is they're pushing it out. And all these clueless, I mean, I don't want to say clueless, but I refer to them as sheep to the slaughter. Okay, sheep to the slaughter. If you're buying when Jim Cramer is telling you to buy, not a good sign. Okay, not a good sign. You're too late at that point. You want to be selling, taking some off the table once Jimmy and the boys start telling you to buy. You understand? Okay, so again, I think we're in a very, if you're down this year, if you're down over 2023, guess what? Everybody's down. If you held crypto throughout 2023, you're down. Everybody's down. Do not give up right here, Spartans. Do not give up. We're just getting started. Okay, this move is just getting started. There is going to be one or two, maybe three pullbacks during this bull run. And we're going to be there to capitalize as a community. Okay, we're going to point it out on the chart over here. We're going to dial it in. We're going to know exactly when the time to strike is.